Now that you are logged into your MyGBC Student Center, I am going to go over how to find your class schedule along with the textbooks that are required for your courses. Now, in this sample student's case, we will see that she is enrolled in Political Science 101 along with Psychology 101. So, under academics, where you have the quick links, there is that drop down box, which is what we are going to be using. And you'll see it is noted as Other Academics. When we click on the drop down box, it's going to provide us with a variety of different options, but the one we are going to click on is Class Schedule. Now, once you do that, you do have to click on that double arrow circle. Okay, so now this is showing us the class schedule, and you'll see that you have filter options. So right now we have these three areas marked to where it's going to show the courses we are enrolled in. It's going to show the courses that the student has dropped, along with any classes that the student may have been put on the wait list for. Now, in this case, we are going to modify the filters, and all we want to see, which is what we're seeing anyway, is going to be the courses that the student is enrolled in. So we are going to unmark Show Dropped Courses and Show Waitlisted Classes. So you'll see we have the classes listed, Political Science 101, Psychology 101, along with the course information. And then at the bottom, you will see that there is Bookstore Buy Books for your classes. And there's a button that says Buy Books. We are going to go ahead and click on that. Now, it may take a few seconds for the list to be generated, so you do have to be patient during that process. And then it's going to show you the courses. So you'll see at the top it says My Course Materials. You'll notice that there are three textbooks that are going to be required. So the first class that's noted is Political Science 101. You'll see that the section note, it does indicate that it is for a late starting class. And then you'll see that the first textbook that is being displayed is Sagebrush State. In this case, students can opt to rent, either used or new, or you can also buy. And with that, you have the option to purchase them used, new, or as a digital copy. Now, if you are going to try and see if you can purchase your textbooks for less, you will see that there is this ISBN number. That is going to be what you're going to cross-reference with to make sure that you are going to be purchasing the correct edition. Now, one exciting thing is that the GBC bookstore will price match textbooks. So if you are looking through other venues and you find the textbooks for less, you can provide that information to the GBC bookstore and they will price match. So huge savings. Definitely encourage students to do it that way. And so with that, we'll scroll down and you'll see that we have a required textbook and we have two options. We have a loose page and then we have another option. So to find out those course details, or I should say textbook details, we have to click on the plus sign. So you'll see that you have the American Government 2019-2020 loose pages. And with that, you can rent a digital copy, or you can buy used, buy new, buy digital copy. For the first option, second option has it laid out of the different ways and how you can rent or buy. And then we're going to scroll further down and we have Psychology 101. So with this, again, similar to the political science textbook, we have two options. So we're going to go ahead and click on that plus sign just to see what we have. So you have the Launchpad for My Psychology, and you have 6-month access. You have the My Psychology with Launchpad and along with an access code. So one is $85 new, the other is $106 new. You will then choose the option that best fits your needs. And with that, you'll see your only option is to buy new. So of course, with those costs, you can again, check out other venues and use that ISBN number that is provided to you. And if you can find it for less, notify the GBC bookstore since they do price match and it'll bring that amount down. So, price matching is huge and definitely take advantage of that through the GBC bookstore. Now, if you scroll further down, you will also see that there are some suggested materials by the bookstore. That is not anything you have to worry about unless if you choose to purchase them on the side. But you are only going to be focusing on what is required for your courses. And that is how you would go about one, finding your class schedule, and two, finding the textbooks that are needed for your courses.